Each edit mode dictates how we maneuver inside of the edit window. Using our basic cursor tool, the slip mode allows us to move anywhere in the timeline. Spot mode requires that anytime we make a move, we actually have to tell the timeline where we want that move to happen. It will open up a dialog box as we begin to make changes. The grid mode allows us to be fixed to a grid, and that grid is determined by the main counter. If we use bars and beats, we can be moving through bar by bar along the grid. And the shuffle mode allows us to shuffle things to the beginning of the timeline. So as we make maneuvers such as delete, we'll see that things shuffle to the left.